Operation and mismanagement. What is operation and mismanagement? Operation and mismanagement are not defined in Companies Act. Okay, their definition is not given in Companies Act. The general meaning of operation and mismanagement. The general meaning of operation is unjust or cruel exercise of power or authority. Okay, unjust exercise of power or authority, or cruel exercise of power or authority. What is mismanagement? Mismanagement means conducting affairs in dishonest, inept, or prejudicial manner. Okay, this is known as mismanagement, when you conduct affairs in a dishonest manner, or inept manner, or prejudicial manner. This is known as mismanagement. In what circumstances? Okay, circumstances under which application can be filed to tribunal for oppression or mismanagement. The members of the company can file if affairs of company are being conducted in an oppressive manner. Okay, or a material change has undertaken which is not in the interest of members. In these conditions, the members can file application to the tribunal about oppression or mismanagement. The central government can also apply if in its opinion the affairs of company are conducted in manner prejudicial to the public interest. Okay, if the affairs of the company are conducted in manner which is prejudicial, which is not in the interest of public, in that condition the central government can also apply to the tribunal. What are the powers of the tribunal regarding these cases? When the tribunal gets application that the company is doing operation or mismanagement, they are given in section 242 of Companies Act. When tribunal gets application by members about operation and mismanagement, if tribunal is of opinion that affairs of company are being conducted in manner which is prejudicial to interest of members or public or company, okay, then it has the power to pass order it may deem fit. Okay, if the tribunal gets any application by the members about the operation or mismanagement, and if the tribunal is of the opinion that the affairs of the company are being conducted in prejudicial manner, okay, in a manner which is prejudicial to the interest of the members or the interest of public or in the interest of company, then the tribunal can pass an order which it deems fit, okay, which it thinks fit. The order may provide for any of the following. Okay, these things can be in the order. What are these things? Regulation of conduct of affairs of the company. Okay, the affairs of the company, their conduct, it can be regulated by the tribunal, or the tribunal may order to purchase the shares of interest of members by other members. Okay, it can ask the other members to buy the shares of the members who have been oppressed, okay, or whose interests have been affected. If the company purchases these shares, then there should be consequent reduction in the share capital of the company. Okay, or the tribunal may put restriction on transfer or allotment of the shares, or the tribunal may order for the termination or setting aside or modification of any agreement between the company and the managing director or any other director, okay, on specific terms and conditions. What else the tribunal may order? The tribunal may order for the termination or setting aside or modification of any agreement between the company and any person only after due notice and consent from the concerned party. Okay, the tribunal can also order to set aside any transfer, delivery, execution, payment, or any act related to the property which is made by or against the company within period of 3 months before date of application. Next, the tribunal can order for the removal of managing director, manager, or any other director of the company, and the manner of their reappointment. Okay, the tribunal can order for the recovery and manner of recovery of any undue gains or any wrong gains sorry, made by the managing director, manager, or any other director. Or the tribunal can appoint directors who are required to report to the tribunal. Okay, or there can be levy of cost, means imposition of cost. Okay, as the tribunal deems fit. Okay, the tribunal can impose any cost on the company for the mismanagement or oppression. So this was oppression and mismanagement. If you want these PDF notes for revision purposes, then you can get the download link of this PDF from the description box or the comment box. You can get it from there.